Okay, so I'm making this video because I need some assistance here. These are raspberries, and I never pruned them after their first flush of um, berries in the beginning of the summer or spring, and it wasn't that many. These, I believe, were bare roots. They only gave me a couple of berries, and I didn't prune them. And I don't know if I should. Am I supposed to prune them? Do they fruit on new canes, or do they fruit on old canes? I have no clue. Well, I come out every morning to check out everything, and while I was out here, I noticed a bumblebee running over here, buzzing around, and I said, wait a minute. Does that raspberry plant have flowers? And sure enough, these are raspberries. These are all the flowers. Okay, a bunch of flowers at the end of that cane. And let me see, this one is the same. Well, this one doesn't have as many, but I do see plenty of buds coming out um, of those canes. So I don't know. Am I supposed to leave it like this? Once this flush of flowers has completely bloomed and have been pollinated and they have put on fruit, am I supposed to cut these canes to just a couple of feet short during the winter so that in the spring they will put out more canes? Or am I supposed to just leave it? What do I do? I know I'll find out once I go and do my research. But if anyone out here knows, anyone on my page that has grown raspberries, that has a clue, because I don't. This is my first year. I don't know everything. I know y'all think I do, but I don't. What should I do? Am I supposed to cut these back once I harvest these berries, or what? Help a sister out. I don't know what to do. Help me out. I know some of you gardeners out there have some great tips. You've been doing this thing much longer than I have, and I need your help. Help me out here. What do I do with these raspberries once this fruit has ripened and we have harvested it? Should they be pruned back? If they should be pruned back, how far? 2 feet to the soil level? 3 feet? Should I not prune? Help me out. Tell me what to do, please. Thank you.